Right. So, as part of our business analyst learning, uh, especially on Duck Creek application, today we are going to discuss about what exactly Duck Creek is all about. Because in property casualty insurance applications, we use multiple applications now and then to manage policy administrations, all that. It can be policy creation, cancellations, it can be billing claims, all that. In that regard, so we normally use Duck Creek. We are using even Majesco guideware, right? So different applications being used, but Duck Creek is one of the application we are using in the insurance sector. Now, as a business analyst, first of all, we must be knowing about what exactly Duck Creek is all about. Duck Creek is an application majorly provides some software solutions for the insurance sector, which majorly this has a product suite called policy, billing, claims, distribution, all that. This has an advantage where, as guideware, this can be enabled with enabled into digital transformation, especially insurance companies. Because insurance companies were using still old legacy applications for a very long time. As part of their transformation, they can transform into the digital transformation. That's where generally this Duck Creek is basically used for. Now, what role as a business analyst we will be involving in Duck Creek? As a business analyst, we bridge the gap between business stakeholders and as well as technical team. That is one of the common responsibility as a BA we do, apart from the knowledge areas, apart from the skill sets that we have on that. Next, we should understand the insurance products, how it functions. We must be knowing about the policy life cycle, workflows, etc. So that sort of understanding is needed. We must ensure even knowing about the process flow about the policy, billing, claims, and all, and how this can be aligned to business objectives, followed by translating business requirements into Duck Creek when you are transforming into Duck Creek configurations and all. How are we going to translate business requirements? Is as a business analyst, we do apart from the knowledge areas, we do right. So requirement lifecycle management, enterprise strategy analysis, illustration techniques, right? So apart from all that, these are the major roles and responsibilities as a Duck Creek business analyst we will be doing. Now, these are the key responsibilities. As a business analyst, we do requirement gathering, analysis, and documentation. At the same time, we also create user stories, process flows, and acceptance criteria as well. We collaborate with the development team, right? So, quality analyst team, architects to make sure requirements are understood well in advance by them so that they can develop the solution accordingly, technical solution. Along with that, we need to support the team in policy, billing, and claims implementation if there is any transformation of the applications which are being taken place. By involving sometimes being a senior profiles and all, we'll be involving in system integrations and third-party setups as well. Last but not least, user acceptance testing as a testing team generally they do. So we have to facilitate UAT and validate the business workflows. So these are the key responsibilities as a BA we have to perform. Now these are the four modules I can say. One is about the policy model, which majorly used for managing insurance policies and all. Right. So we as a BA, we need to focus on the product setup, underwriting rules, forms, all this. Even billing is also another one, right? So in this, we do the premium payment handling can be done under the billing. So as a BA, we will be focusing on what are the different payment plans we have, agency plans, commission plans, delinquency plans, invoicing, collections, everything we should be aware of. Third, when we are learning claims module under Duck Creek, we need to manage the claim lifecycle process, wherein should have an understanding over the FNOL process, which is called first notice of loss. At the same time, participating and guiding them in reserving reserves or any settlements or reporting, etc. Last but not least, insights is one of the core important module in Duck Creek, where reporting analytics, where we create some dashboards, KPI metrics, etc. So these are the modules that are there in Duck Creek. Now we need to know about the Duck Creek implementation lifecycle that we are going to discuss in the next session.